Make a great choice today with the 2017 ATS.
The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, power sunroof, navigation system, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, tachometer, leather shift knob. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.